This year, are you ready to explore the seas? Sea kayaking is a very addictive sport, taking you to amazing places, wildlife, adventure, excitement, friendship, and lots of gear. When you start sea kayaking, there will be a few things you need to begin with. As you get further into the sport, there will be items that you will upgrade to, but these are the usual starting blocks. A sleeveless wetsuit, a buoyancy aid, a waterproof jacket, shoes, a spray deck, and a waterproof case for your phone. Go out, enjoy, get wet.